Hey there, if you happen to have a very old Grohe faucet to dismount, this video may help. I will show you all the steps from above the sink and underneath the sink. So first step, I use a flathead screwdriver to prise this part up. And I just pull this part out. Second, use a tool with threads like this to loosen this part. And then you may use your hand to just loosen it all the way until you can pull the whole part out. Now let's deal with the part underneath. Oh, before that, you can see that this part, unlike other brands of faucet, it can be just moved from here. So like all those kitchen faucets, there are 3 hoses underneath the sink. So this one is for hot water, this one is for cold water, and this one is for the faucet. So which is special here for Grohe, from Grohe, that this part is a coupling module, which you just pull this yellow part and then pull this down. So let me show you this. It's a coupling which you just push it down and then you just pull it from the hose. And now, so because I've done it before I took the video, so now you can see all these 3 hoses are just dismounted. So also very special from Grohe, you can see this part, they have a spring all over the hose instead of a heavy heavy thing to pull the hose up and down. They use a spring. So now I'm gonna dismount this spring. Just turn it off and then spring. Take off the spring. I hope it can be reused on my new faucet. Now you can take the whole faucet from this hole